And what I would say is maybe outside of inflation expectations for this week, I would keep an eye on Treasury auctions, especially in post trade talks in London. Wednesday there's a 10-year auction, and on Thursday there's a 30-year auction. So longer end of the yield curve. Just seeing where primary bidders are going to be on those two bonds.
Yeah, just tying it back to some of the stuff we talked about last week. I think this is going to be another good indication about how the global economy feels about U.S. debt. And, if we have inflation numbers kind of come in right around expected, but we still have, a weak Treasury auctions, that could be a sign that the foreign buyers are losing confidence in U.S. debt, right? So it'd be super interesting to watch the dynamics of those two things throughout the week.
Right. And it would point more to a loss of political confidence, because if the inflation numbers are looking strong right in the lead up to these auctions, it would really be more of a risk premium that they're attaching to these bonds. So again, like I said, I think it's going to be a really interesting Treasury auction. As we've stated a couple of times now, there's a lot of auctions coming this year. There's a lot of refinancing that also needs to be done. So the rate picture, I think, is going to be front and center for the next few weeks.